Hello and welcome to Startup Hack. Today we are going to talk about Google Firebase with .NET. So let's jump right in. Make sure to check out the link down below because we always provide the code samples that you can pull down and follow along so you can see in our project. Do you want to earn $100,000 a year? Do you want to become a software developer within just 3 months? With our amazing course and awesome tutors, you never have to worry about getting stuck. We help students to learn skills that companies want to hire. We are Startup Hack. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's get started. First start with installing Firebase tools. So to install the Firebase tools, you use this command npm install -g firebase -tools, which is the node package manager. Before it was you have to install node.js. After that, type this command and click enter. Firebase login. It will log into your Firebase. So I have already logged in. We will start by setting up our workspace by creating the directories for our backend API and frontend application. So first, add this dir. Creating this dir, create and one more dir API. Now one more. After that, create a git ignore file at the root. Once it's done, initialize the git at the root. After that, create a new project web API minimal in C#. Once your API project created, you can create a front-end project in Vue.js by using this command in the WebView folder. You can see the all directory setup already. This is the WebView project. This is the API project. Now you can easily run Firebase in it in this whole application. Click on Firebase. When you add the command Firebase in it, it will ask you, are you proceed? You can click yes. After that, you can choose the choices emulator, set up local emulator for Firebase. After that, it will ask you to use the existing project or create a new project. So you can create a new project and name it DN Firebase. So what would you like to call the project ID? Same, DN8, or you can set up default. It will ask you emulator setup. You can select authentication emulator, also Firestore emulator. It will ask you the port. I'm using the default ones for auth emulator, and I'm using the default one for Firebase at Firestore emulator. Now it will ask you, would you like to enable UI emulator UI? You can enter yes. As you click yes, you can use the emulator port whatever you want, or leave empty for any available port, and click enter. It will also ask if you want to download the emulators now. So now we can start the emulator. So we can say yes for that. Now it is downloading. So that's it, it's completed. Now we can start the emulator with the command called Firebase space emulators start. Click enter. Alright, if all goes well, you can click on this link. It will redirect to you on the page of dashboard of emulator. Alright, moving towards backend API in C#. So let's start by building our backend API. Our application will simply capture a list of cities. So for this, you have to install a new package which is called .NET Add Package Google.Cloud.Firestore. We will start by creating a C# record class which represents the city. So here's example. Adding the record class over here in the program.cs, You just have to .NET run your application. It will run the API application. The last step to add this code in your app.view file and run this command npm run dev to see you can add your own in the Firestore. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learn how to integrate Firebase in .NET Core. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. To joining our course, you can simply go to our website called startuphack.com. Thank you.